At least 18 people were killed and more than a dozen injured in a stampede that broke out late Saturday night at New Delhi railway station. Stampede was preceded by swell in crowd of passengers waiting to board trains for Prayagraj, where the Mahakumbh is underway on platform number 14 and 15 of the station. There were 14 women among the deceased. Now we learn that after railway had ordered a high-level inquiry into the incident, the Delhi police will scan CCTV footage to undermine what actually led to the stampede. On your screen are the visuals of the stampede just moments before the stampede that broke out yesterday. Several videos that made the rounds, which shows moments just before the stampede happened. As you can see, the crowd was swelling up as they were trying to move to platforms. What we do know is that about 1,500 trains, 1,500 tickets, I beg your pardon, were sold. There was a huge rush of crowd which led to the stampede. Visuals on your screen, there are reporters reporting live. Akhil, my colleague, is reporting live from the New Delhi railway station where the stampede happened. Let's listen in.
हाँ जी, और क्या बोले?
क्या रेलवे प्रशासन ने कोई अनाउंसमेंट किया था?
हाँ, अनाउंसमेंट कर रहे थे वो।
क्या अनाउंसमेंट क्या हुआ?
अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था सारी चीज़ों का, और क्या बोले वो भी लगे हुए थे, उन्होंने ही निकाले थे दबे हुए लोग इसमें से।
भीड़ को लेकर के कोई अनाउंसमेंट किया?
हाँ, भीड़ के लिए बोल रहे थे इनको सब थोड़ा आराम से चलना चाहिए, सवारी ट्रेन जब तक रुके, जब बैठना चाहिए आराम से, सारी चीज़ें देख रहे थे वो।
अच्छा, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि उस वक्त ये अनाउंसमेंट किया गया कि भीड़ ज़्यादा है, आराम से चलें, तो उनको इस बात का पूरी तरीके से जानकारी था? इस बात की जानकारी थी उन्हें कि इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ आई हुई है यहाँ पे?
हाँ, भीड़ तो सबकी, इतनी भीड़ नहीं आती थी, जैसे कल बहुत ज़्यादा ही भीड़ थी। इतने, और कभी 1 महीना हो गया कुंभ चलते हुए इतनी भीड़ नहीं हुई जितनी रात हुई थी। रात बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी।
आज जो है वो रविवार का दिन है, क्या आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आज भी बहुत सारे लोग होंगे?
नहीं, आज इतनी भीड़ नहीं होगी। कल शनिवार था, इस बार भीड़ थी कल। शनिवार को रहती है भीड़ इतनी। हाँ, कल कुछ ज़्यादा ही भीड़ थी। हाँ, इतनी भीड़ नहीं रहती है।
तो इसमें किसकी गलती मानते हैं आप?
इसमें गलती क्या है? इसमें गलती किसी की नहीं है, नहीं रेलवे प्रशासन की। देखो, भीड़ तो है ही, अब रेलवे प्रशासन भी सारे चीज़ें देख रहा है, आरपीएफ जीआरपीएफ सब देख रहे हैं इस चीज़ को।
तो यहाँ पे एक बड़ा सवाल है कि जिस वक्त ये दुर्घटना होती है, स्टैम्पीड होता है, उस वक्त रेलवे प्रशासन जो है वो क्या कर रहा था? रेलवे प्रशासन को सारी जानकारी थी कि यहाँ पर कितनी भीड़ है, कितनी भीड़ इकट्ठा हो चुकी है, क्योंकि प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14, 15 और 12 3 प्लेटफॉर्म्स ऐसे हैं जहाँ पर भारी संख्या में जो है वो लोग मौजूद थे। तो ये सारे जो सवाल हैं, इन सारे सवालों के जवाब जो हैं वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निकल कर आएंगे, क्योंकि इस वक्त जो आप देखें तो 18 लोगों की जो है, जिनमें बच्चे भी शामिल हैं और महिलाएँ भी शामिल हैं, उनकी इस वक्त जो है वो जान जा चुकी है। और इसके अलावा जो सरकार की तरफ से जो है वो मुआवजा 10 लाख का, जो मृतक हैं उनके परिजनों को 10 लाख का मुआवजा देने का अनाउंसमेंट भी जो है सरकार की तरफ से किया जा चुका है। वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट हितेश के साथ आकिल, रिपब्लिक टीवी।
All right, that was my colleague Akhil reporting live from New Delhi railway station at the exact same platform where the stampede happened. Gopi, my colleague, is reporting live from the LNJP hospital where the injured have been shifted. Gopi, the injured have been shifted to the hospital. We are learning that about 18 people have lost their lives and about 11 have been injured. Some of them have received serious and grievous injuries. Talk to us about what the doctors are saying right now.
Well, as you've mentioned, Tanisha, when you speak of total number of deaths, it is 18. While currently I'm standing outside LNJP hospital, here there are 10 bodies, 8 bodies would be taken to Bihar once the post-mortem is done, while 5 other bodies are at RML hospital, while 3 are at Lady Hardinge hospital. While speaking of injuries, we happen to speak to one of the officials, hospital officials from this very place. She had mentioned that there were over a dozen of people who had broken their leg and they had suffered from fracture at different parts of their body due to what had happened last night at the New Delhi railway station. So this is something that we are learning. The orthopedic department of LNJP hospital is in fact filled with maximum number of patients as of now, and the bodies are being taken out as and when the post-mortem is being done 8 bodies, I repeat, 8 bodies will be taken to Bihar. Back to you.
Security deployment outside the hospital from where you are reporting. Please take it away. Show us around what's happening.
Well, see, as you can see, I would ask my video journalist to show visuals speak for itself. There are security personnel here deployed since last night, as there was also movement, VIP movement last night. We saw Virinder Sachdeva, who is the Delhi BJP president, along with LG VK Saxena, were here to take the stock of this situation, while the acting chief minister Atishi was also here. And you can see right in front of you, there is accident and emergency services, and that is the exact place where the victims were brought. And as I've mentioned, 10 succumbed to death, and their bodies will be taken out from this very gate of Jan Lok Nayak Hospital, from this very gate. And 10 bodies, out of 10 bodies, 8 will directly be taken to Bihar, from where those passengers, those patients, and the ones who succumbed to death were from. Back to you.